What is Terra Luna and why is it down a huge 99%? There is pain and suffering in the markets, ladies and gentlemen. People actually have lost life savings for having their coins and money invested in the Terra Luna project, which has turned out to be a huge scam. And even UST is down, which is meant to be pegged to the dollar 1 to 1. So we can see, of course, we've had mass capitulation in the market. Bitcoin is down to $28,000. So we're going to talk about what is Terra Luna, what is actually going on. Terra Luna, if you look a year ago, we had some massive prices of $113, $116. Imagine if you bought in at the top over here at $116. The coin has crashed down to 6 cents. You'd have lost everything. Everything would be gone. You'd have nothing left to show for your hard-earned money. And we can actually see a comment which is so sad to see from this guy here. Lunar, I'm going to go and end my life. He's actually talking about suicide right now, which is a horrible topic, and this is all because of the scam that has unfolded, and so many other people are suffering down in this community in the crypto space, and it does bring a lot of fear, and it does not help with the confidence for people with stable coins over the long term. You're talking BUSD, USDT, many other things could potentially happen. So we've seen a massive correction here, or more than a correction. It's been complete manipulation, a complete scam from the founder himself. I don't know how he can sleep at night. So let's cover, what is Terra Luna? Why is it down basically 99% with this crazy 24-hour volume over here? We've got $10 billion. The market cap is down to 226 million. Giving us a 101 rank. So it was one of the top 10 stable coins, guys, and it's crazy. Here is Terra USD, which should also be $1. We can see the reflection here. It was holding nicely at $1, came all the way down, and this is where the fear started kicking in. This is where we saw the price literally drop rapidly. So what is Terra Luna? Why did it crash? Well, let's have a little look at this news article here on the Business to Community site. I think it's important we do that. We can see Lunar US dollar, massive capitulation candle over here, $120 down to $1.13. That's not normal. That is not normal at all, guys. The Terra Luna crypto token crashed from $128 to $0.68, a 99.5 correction, of which 98% within 1 day in a black swan event. The stock market corrected with the SPX moving down under the 4,000 level for the first time since May 2021. Bitcoin retraced under 28,000 for the first time since January 2021. Altcoins are often correlated to Bitcoin's strength or weaknesses, and the crypto market's correlation to the S&P 500 as a whole hit a 17-month high in March 2020. So what is Terra Luna? Well, 500 plus people are searching what is Terra Luna every month. People still want to know what it is. Most people still refer to the Lunar crash rather than the Terra crash, so as not to confuse it with the stablecoin Terra USD, ticker USD, although UST crashed too, despite being a stablecoin. So what is the Terra Luna blockchain? It's a platform to create stablecoins pegged to fiat money, powers global payments with fast and affordable settlements like the Alipay on the blockchain. Mainnet went live in 2019, custom blockchain on Cosmos SDK, and this is the website right here. So programmable money for the internet, spend, save, and stake like never before. This is basically what it is. So Terra is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic, decentralized stablecoins which underpin a thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the masses. And they do have a great website, and it's really a shame to see what has happened here. This is going to go down as one of the biggest scams in crypto history. So this is what the Terra blockchain is right here. Office stablecoins pegged to USD, well, apparently not. South Korean won, Mongolian Tugrik, the IMF's SDR reserve asset and plan, more options. What is the Terra crypto? So its a ticker symbol is Lunar. As we know, when stablecoins depeg slightly, Lunar is sold and burnt to stabilize them. ICO price of 80 cents, historical low of 40 cents on Binance in August 2020, hit all-time high of $119 in April 2022, a 300x gain, became the 6th largest crypto with a market cap of over 40 billion, now 41st with $1.5 billion. Well, I'll tell you what, it's much less than that. It's $220 million. It's just shrinking more and more, and it's going to go down more and more and more. So what is a USD? Well, we should also compare. USD is the ticker symbol USD, a stable coin pegged to the US dollar like Tether USDT. Investors earn 20% APY annual yield on their stable coin, staking USD on the Anchor protocol and other crypto platforms. And this is where it crashed from $1 to 30 cents, which is of course very, very abnormal. The idea to create an algorithmic stablecoin where Lunar could be burnt in order to mint UST to stabilize it whenever it loses its one-to-one peg to the dollar and vice versa is different to how other stablecoins like USDT and USD coin function. For example, if UST hits 0.99, a small amount of Lunar would be burnt, and if it hits 1.01, a small amount of UST would be burnt. It didn't work like that. It worked, and then it didn't. It's now even emerged that Do Kwon has been behind a failed stablecoin crypto project in the past called Basis Cash. In breaking news today on CoinDesk and Yahoo Finance. So this guy should actually be behind bars, guys. He should be in prison. He tweeted that a large institution borrowed 100,000 Bitcoin from Gemini Exchange. They then exchange a large amount of that Bitcoin for UST over the counter with Do Kwon at a discount. He agreed, lowering the UST liquidity. That institution then allegedly dumped large amounts of both Bitcoin and UST on the market, causing a liquidation cascade of leveraged longs, slippage, and panic selling by investors, many of which sold their Lunar holdings and unstaked their UST to sell it. So basically, Do Kwon has annihilated the whole crypto market. It seems that way anyway. USD's Do Kwon was behind earlier failed stablecoin, ex-Terra colleagues say. So yeah, it's definitely true. Basis Cash. He was also a mastermind and a real evil villain in this particular background. So it's not good to see how people can get away with this just because they have money and power. Hopefully he's going to go down. There should be lawyers involved with this. So we can see here Gemini tweet May 11. We are aware of a recent story that suggests that Gemini made 100,000 Bitcoin loan to large institutional counterparties that reportedly resulted in a sell-off in Lunar. Gemini made no such loan. So this is just them clarifying. You can see in the comments. So the lawyer in me is asking what kind of agreement was it, if not a loan? Which is a very, very good question. As you can see, the speed and specificity of this denial are not standard social media updates. This was a statement drafted by a lawyer that allows a technically true denial while leaving the door open to many other forms of involvement. So, as you can see here, we didn't loan it, we gave it. So there's a lot of speculation around the wording around here and what it could potentially mean. Dishonesty is unreal right now. And this is another really interesting tweet. Do Kwon knew it was coming. Terra Form Labs Korea was dissolved on April 30 of 2022, registers on May 4th, liquidator Kwon Do-hyung. So we can see this, the evidence is right here. This, I believe this is real. They moved to Singapore and Don has been there for a while now. Why dissolve the Korean entity right before the crash, basically, is what people are saying. And this is it. General information, Terraform Labs Pte. Limited, Korea Republic, and there's a registration number as well. In Korea, scammers go to jail. Smart move, he'll be going to jail. So this Do Kwon guy should go to prison, exactly where he deserves to be for what he has done in the crypto space. Another uncertain thing which is happening, we'll just quickly hit the refresh button. Tether, USDT, has also depegged from the dollar, just slightly, as we can see right here, from basically yesterday, because now people's confidence in stablecoins is rapidly decreasing. We can see we dropped to $0.95. On the side here, in my opinion, if Lunar and USD do not recover, no one will trust all crypto project, even Bitcoin, because this project was one of the best projects. So what happened in USD will happen in all, like USDT, BUSD, DAI, all these other stable coins. USDT, if this goes down, then every exchange will be wiped out. So this basically needs to stay. Crypto is walking on a tightrope, let's put it that way, and it's pretty scary to say the least. If USDT Tether goes down, everything will come down with it. Maybe there's just too much artificial money pumped into the markets right now, too much fear, and I think these businesses can't even afford to run and operate now that there's been so much liquidation in the crypto market. So it's extremely scary to see what could potentially happen, guys. If you like this content, make sure you smash subscribe, comment down below, come over to my Twitter channel, make sure you enter this giveaway as it will help the channel grow, and also it's a way to say thank you to you guys for supporting the channel. Come ahead in the Discord as well. Discord channel, 250 people in here. It's completely free, no strings attached, just down below. If you want to grab some cryptocurrency today, start building a long-term portfolio, although I would suggest waiting for now. One thing you can certainly look at is DeFi coins, and I did mention this a few times on the channel because it's going to be one that will explode in the future, guys. As we can see here, expected holders by Q3 2022 over 10,000, expected liquidity by Q3 2022 10 million. And looking at the Bybit price, the Bitmart price right now, you can see despite the blood in the market, we are holding really nice at the $0.38 level with some incredible growth over the recent days. So check out that website as well in the comment section or in the description, and do a little bit of research about this amazing decentralized algorithmic crypto trading and exchanges. So there's lots of cool things to see here, and stay updated on this one because it is going to grow. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, guys. Also, see you in a new video, leave some suggestions, and yeah, stay crypto safe. Bye for now.